When I first moved to Wisbech, I didn't know anybody. I'm on my own with 2 boys and it is so hard to meet people. I hadn't worked since I had children and had started to feel very depressed. I didn't go out of the house much and felt very lonely when the boys were at school. One day when I was dropping the boys off at school, I saw something about time credits. A teacher from the school saw me looking and suggested I give it a go. I was scared, but I decided to try something new. I went to the school and talked about what I could do. I was always good at English at school, so they suggested I try reading with children. The first time I went into a classroom, I was so nervous. I helped a little girl whose first language isn't English to read a book about dinosaurs. It was fun, and when I left, I felt really proud of myself. With time credits, for each hour I give of my time as a volunteer, I earn 1 time credit that I can spend on an activity. I started volunteering regularly. After a while, I started to help out with admin in the office. It was great to be able to learn something new. I was surprised, as it turns out, I'm actually quite good at it. They have even been encouraging me to apply for a job. I got to know lots of people who have become friends. I come out of that school now and it's like, wow, I've got my energy back. Now I feel like I'm not just a mum at home doing housework. I feel like a person again, like I'm a good role model for my boys. I've really enjoyed spending the time credits I've earned. I've started swimming and even managed to lose a few pounds. I even went to the gym. I feel much happier and don't sit at home moping anymore. I have taken the boys to the cinema, which is a treat we can't usually afford as a family. They love being able to do something all together. I even saved up my time credits and in the holidays went with a small group of other volunteers to spend them in London. It was the first time the boys have been. It was such fun. The boys love being able to go places together as a family. I don't feel lonely anymore. I feel part of the community. In fact, I feel like anything is possible. The University of Cambridge carried out this research to evaluate the public health outcomes of time credits in Wisbech. The study was funded by the National Institute for Health Research's School for Public Health Research.